Hi everyone, need to get in touch with Temu's customer service? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to chat with them in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First up, open the Temu app on your phone or visit temu.com on your PC. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon in the app. Or if you're on the website, click on the Help Center or Customer Support. Scroll down and look for the live chat option. Tap or click on it, begin chatting with the customer service representative. Once the chat window opens, just type your issue or question. A Temu representative will send a response quickly to assist you. Wait for the representative to respond. They're usually really quick and they'll help you resolve your issue or answer your questions. And that's it. You've now chatted with Temu customer service and can easily get the help that you need. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick tips. Happy shopping with Temu.